Today is Wednesday and I'm having my breakfast. And I make some bacon and I copied that from Benjamin TV. So I'll show you, okay? That's what I have, guys. Rice and egg, top, and coffee. Show you the bacon. That's the bacon I cook in the oven. Oops, that one.
With ED, a local medical clinic is offering free doses of a breakthrough ED medication to the first
the one that I talked yesterday in the phone.
This offer is to spread awareness about a treatment that's 98% effective, even for men who can't take prescription ED medication. You'll receive a personalized.
Traffic going back home, hon. Huh? So guys, this guy that we'll be meeting today, he's looking for a girlfriend or a wife. I'm just kidding, he is not really reading, he's just joking. Like what I said in my last vlog. He is joking. Who knows? Ryan Han, that's your friend. Your friend with Rich for how many years, Han? Like over 10 years, right? Yeah. Because when I first meet you, you guys are 10 years together. That's not together. Your friendship has been 10 years and we're already 6 years. So it's gonna be like 17 years. 17 or 18 years. No, it's not that long. Alan, your friendship with Alan is longer than that, right?
Not longer than that.
Yeah, because your friend with Alan when you're a kid?
Yeah, my teens.
Really? It's not like 30?
No, teens.
Wow.
17. Something like that.
Wow, it's forever, huh?
Yep. South. Allen's like a half hour north of mine.
Okay. So,
Actually, no, maybe it's an hour from me. I mean,
no. The condo on Alan is far away.
Allen's not a condo. Allen's a house.
You own the house?
Yeah. His
No.
house is in Delaware.
No. Our condo and his house is far.
It's like a half hour.
It's a half hour, so it's not really far.
No. But
Okay.
mine's probably an hour from Miami. Because I'm
Oh.
probably a half hour from Fort
Oh,
Lauderdale.
okay.
Fort Lauderdale is a half hour from Miami, so that's about an hour. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that.
And then I'll meet you there. You shouldn't be too far away from there.
Yeah, no,
So maybe 15.
I'm at exit 35, so 50 can't be that far.
Yeah, I think it's 50 or 51. I'm not sure, but the exit just before it is Bagatelle Road.
Okay.
Don't get Bagatelle Road. The next one after Bagatelle is it's either 50 or 51, and it's Route 231, Deer Park Avenue.
Cool. All right. Hopefully I'll be there shortly.
All right, see you in a bit.
All right, man. Thanks. All right.
Bye.
Do you know where we're going? Are you kidding me? You just talked to him.
Hang on. I know Bagatelle Road.
But I mean,
I'm
he
on
give you a
highway.
sign?
Well, no. He said just south of, get off and go south. So I get off and go south. I'll call him when I get off, and he'll tell me where, because he's not over there, so he can't tell me, oh, I'm in this parking lot or that parking
Okay.
lot. Well, he would have offered to bring you a coffee, too.
No, I don't drink coffee.
I know that. That's why it don't really matter. He said he's looking for a cup of coffee for himself, so he's going to pick one up for me.
I drink coffee in the morning, guys, but only one a day. I don't even finish my 1 cup of a day. It's a waste, guys, right? I think it's not good. Stop drinking coffee, period.
Say so.
My husband, when it comes to cigarette, is just crazy.
It's not true. When it comes to anything, I'm just crazy. Nothing to do with cigarettes.
Yeah, I'm excited for Thursday, my love. I know you're not. Oh, I look the pot. I look at it inside. It's really not peeling inside. But I look at the cover. Careful, hon. Oh my God. I look at the cover, the clip cover.
The flip cover.
The flip.
The little one.
of that?
Good.
Because that's already good. You said it's good, but I look at inside to make sure that you said it right. You know.
I know you don't believe me. You never do.
I can't. Because I don't want to poison myself.
You just don't believe me.
I don't want to poison myself or you poison yourself. I don't want it. Oh, this is a cop, and look.
That's not a cop. That's construction. The guy hiding in the bushes over there is a cop.
Oh.
But you didn't see him on it. If you look back at your camera, you'll see the camera's pointing at you, so you won't see him now either.
Yeah, I will do it now. So, yeah. Maybe we can save that and not buy another expensive one.
Well, I'd love to find the same exact one.
What do you mean by that one?
Yeah.
Where did we
And
put-
I'm hoping the new one, to make a new one, they would have fixed that problem and now it's stainless steel, but
Where did we get that?
I don't remember where I got it. I looked a lot of places before I found one I liked.
Slow down, hon. It's a big truck.
You know, I always find a bunch of ones I don't like. They're either too tinny and cheapy, or they're just ugly, or, you know, or they're not right. You know, it's hard. You think it's such a silly little thing, but I'm a little funny that way.
I think we got that in Target. I think. Or Stop and Shit.
It was not a Stop and Shop, huh?
Huh?
It was not a Stop and Shop, I can tell you that. Well, you go on the internet and look for teapots and see what they have. You didn't see any good ones at Macy's?
No, I have to look online.
Oh, I thought you said you did.
Not yet. We talked about that last night. Did we pass it already now? Huh? Not yet. I'm hungry. It's already 12:55.
Right now, you can do it with one person in the car.
Right now?
Yeah.
You said it's always
only
like...
rush hours.
Oh, on the
Rush
rush hour.
hours as opposed to on the sign.
Uh,
HO two or more persons. No, it doesn't even have hours. Maybe it's all the time.
yeah, it's all the time, huh?
It's supposed to be all the time.
Because that's no matter what in this area, it's always traffic here.
Yeah, but it's never all the time. It's always certain times of the day.
What this car is here? A
Oh, see,
transfer?
this one has signs on it, see?
Okay.
6 a.m.
6
to 10 a.m. and then 3
3
o'clock to 8
a.m.
at night.
I think I show you guys, you know, the traffic in Manhattan. It's crazy. I have that in my previous video. I think they're like crazy. Even people are crazy because I mean, you guys, if you're somebody watching,
by wife.
because the people who always walk in Manhattan, they walk in front of your car and you can walk as in Vincent. He doesn't even know what this Vincent means.
Okay. What flavor is it imitating?
It's a Vincent. It's a PU is a PG. What's that? Vincent Ajinomoto. Ajinomoto.
Yeah, that clears everything up.
Oh my God, I'm so
Say
hungry.
Quasimoto?
Ajinomoto.
You don't know Quasimoto, right?
No.
A Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Huh?
A Hunchback of Notre Dame. Quasimoto.
Ajinomoto. I will check that later, guys, because now it's like it's in my head. I have to know what it is. PSG. You know what PSG?
MSG.
MSG. That's the one. PSG. MSG. You heard that it's really bad for your bones. Is this the one here?
It is.
I'm gonna ask Rich if it's
31
okay.
South is to the right, so I gotta get to the right.
Oh, what's up?
I see that asshole.
Shit. Holy shit. Almost, guys. Almost.
What? And I saw him pulling his asshole
It's
behind
her.
me. That makes more sense.
It's a her. It's not a her.
She's an idiot.
And she's driving very fast. She's in a hurry to go to work.
Yeah, that's what she's going on.
Okay, are you gonna call Rich now?
I'm gonna call. This is a bus lane.
This is a bus lane.
Far up now.
We're just following our friends here.
Where are we going? Big deal.
That's him.
Right over here somewhere's got to be good.
Okay.
Right there, it's fine.
What are we doing here?
We're gonna put you in a bag and throw you in the woods, hon.
What if?
As if.
Unbelievable.
Is it okay if you're in the camera?
What? You took me a picture?
No, it's a video.
Oh.
Oh, that's fine.
That's fine.
2 1/4.
Oh my goodness!
What?
Cigarette.
So, yeah. Every morning I get up. Every morning I get up and I say, I gotta quit.
Rest, I'm hearing that from you, Rest.
I pray every morning I quit. And then about 10 o'clock, I light a cigarette. Where are those cigarettes? Where are they?
Praise to God, help to find where he put that packs.
You got 30 packs by $7.50. I figured it was 2 1/4, right? Cool.
I appreciate that. Sell. My coffee.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit in there for a minute. You wanna go grab a coffee or something? I just figured. I says, you know what? I'm gonna grab that roast beef sandwich. That's mine. It's got my name on it.
Oh, this is
How was it?
yours.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, no
Cool.
shit.
Oh gosh.
That's Rich. That's the one that I'm talking in the phone yesterday.
A couple containers.
No, I wasn't talking.
You're live on the phone with somebody?
Yeah,
No.
she edits a video.
Anyway, we're just we're home for a while already, and
Come here, dear. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What, do you want to get out? Do you want to get out? Do you want to get out? Hmm? The cats want to get out, guys.
Two bags plus 2 in the car is 4 bags.
how many? You know.
You want to come out?
I'm making some mistake out here, guys. Look, it's burning. I'm cooking mine first because I want my steak to be dead, as in dead, over dead, like 25 years dead. My husband and my mother-in-law like a bloody steak, rare. It's not medium rare. You want rare, right? And I know how to cook. My husband taught me how to cook steak because I have idea how to make rare and medium rare. Now I'm good with it. I'll cook them later, their steak, because I'm gonna sear it first, then put it in the regular glare